Hey everybody, it's Tim at enginefactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 347 Ford stroker engine for our customer's 1962 Ford Thunderbird. This is the blacked out edition. Turned out absolutely beautiful here. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. It is the 347 Ford stroker engine, double roller timing chain in there. We got the roller lifter cam in there, power forged pistons, proper oil pan for the 62 Thunderbird, the front sump oil pan. We have the oil pressure extension on there. Edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum heads, American made. Roller rocker arms in there. These real nice black ridge valve covers in the gloss black. Matching air cleaner with the black ridge air cleaner. The black intake manifold. MSD ignition coil. Distributors in there. We have the Taylor ignition wires, American made. All the wire markers are on there. Proper flex plate for the AOD transmission that the customer's running. Proper balance and proper tooth count. We have the braided fuel lines on there. All the gas filter for the Holley Sniper EFI setup is all set up. So this is the black Holley Sniper EFI with the throttle cable ball on there. We put the proper low car throttle cable bracket and return spring for the AOD transmission. Vacuum fittings are on there. This engine will be live run. All the settings will be all set for the customer with the Holley Sniper EFI. Each engine gets a video of your engine running with all the readings. So everything will be pretty much plug and play for the customer, ready to go. It'll be all dialed in, timing set, fuel injection settings all set, ready to roll. We have the beautiful, this is the black diamond serpentine pulley kit, a special pulley kit. You can see it has the chrome cutouts on each of the windows there. Again, the black diamond serpentine pulley kit, 8-rib serpentine belt, heavy duty serpentine belt with the self-tensioning belt tensioner, so that's maintenance free. It'll always keep the belt at the proper tension. We got the black water pump on there, heavy duty high flow water pump, AC compressors on there, 160 amp black alternator, one wire hookup right there. The power steering pumps on there, real easy. Reservoirs attached, power steering line hooks up right there in the return line. So this is the way you get it when you buy from Engine Factory. You get a complete custom built engine for your vehicle. So there you have it. We're a family owned and operated business. Been in business over 50 years. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.